Hey Finders, welcome back to Fortune Finds. Today I'm going to be reviewing a pretty cool product, the wing liner stamp by, I don't know, Longwear. I have no idea how you say that, but I got the largest size. They do come in 3 different sizes. I got the longest size, which is the 12 millimeter. And the reason why I bought that is because if you guys are new to my channel, hi, welcome. Please subscribe and like this video and also click the bell button. This way you get a notification every time I do upload a video on my channel. I do have semi-hooded eyes, so if you're not sure what that means, when I open my eyes, I don't have a lot of lid space here. Also, I do have lines. So I have folds in my eyes, so you can see them like right here. There is a heavy crease fold. So wing liner hasn't always been something that I love simply because it's really difficult for me to do it. I know I told you guys I was going to perfect my wing liner game in 2019. I'm still working on it and I have been working on it and I think I've come quite a long way. I know this kind of looks like I'm cheating, but some days, like, yeah, I want to cheat. Yeah, I want to be out the door in 5 minutes. I have a feeling you guys are going to thank me by the end of this video. This is a really cool product. It retails for $13.97 on Amazon. I will link it down below. This is not a first impressions. I have been playing around with this. I have some pros and cons, but overall I think it's a really great product. This is a cheat to a wing. You still have to work for it though. It's not like stamp and out the door, and there are some techniques that you need to know when using this product. So it's not all rainbows and butterflies, although I find butterflies mortifying. It's not all rainbows and cats. Yes, we'll go with that because I love cats. So without further ado, let's stop babbling and let's get on to the wing liner stamping. So just real quick before we get into it, this is a cruelty-free and vegan product. When I opened this, I noticed that there are 2 inside, and dumbass me was like, yes, awesome. I have 2 in case, you know, 1 runs out of ink. But no, you get 2 because 1 is for each eye, because obviously your wings need to go in opposite directions. So this is what you're getting in the package. It is simply just these big chunky black stamped pens. I have a stamp on my hand right here. So this is what the stamp looks like, literally a wing. And I just want you all to know that this shit is waterproof. I stamped it on my hand, then I worked out in it, showered in it, went to the nail salon, they washed my hands, they put lotion all over my hands. Like, this shit has been through a lot, and yeah, it's not perfect, but it is definitely waterproof. You're going to want to use a makeup remover or an oil-based makeup remover to take it off. And it is very wet. It's a very wet stamp. Let it dry because it will transfer onto your lid. The point of wearing a wing is to make your eyes look lifted and up. You want like a cat eye, like a this effect. It's like a facelift from the edge of my nose to the bottom of my eye. And then that's where I want my wing to go. So I want my wing to follow where the pen is going because that's really gonna lift my eyelids. The biggest thing about applying an eyeliner is keeping your eyes open. Don't close your eyes and apply the eyeliner because you won't really know where to go. Your eyeliner shows up when your eyes are open because, you know, you're not walking around with your eyes closed. So keep your eyes open when applying your eyeliner, whether it's a stamp, whether it's a liquid felt pen, whether it's a gel pen, it doesn't matter. Keep your eyes a little bit open. This way you can see what you're doing and also follow the natural curvature of your eye, because this is what it's going to look like with your eye open. So I'm going to take the stamp. So this is literally about as good as it gets for me. So all my hooded eyes, creased eyes, guys and gals out there, like, just FYI, you're going to have to fill in the rest. It's not like a foolproof liner, but I still really do like it. So now I'm going to take the opposite side, which is the felt tip pen. Pretty black. And I need to like pull my skin a little bit because of that fold. It's not a perfect stamp. It's not like you can just stamp it and you're done. However, it can be like that if you don't have hooded eyes and you don't have extra skin or extra folds. Sorry for all my people out there. Don't feel bad that I'm saying this because that is literally me. But if you have the perfect eyelids, okay, and you don't have this fold and you have a lot of eye space, then this could literally be a 1, 2, 3 stamp, draw, done. So do I hate this product? No. Do I like this product? Yes. I think it gives a really good guide. I think if you're a beginner, this could be really good for you. And I even think if you're intermediate or advanced, this would be good for you as well, simply because it just gives you the guide and you're done, and it's 1, 2, 3 out the door. So I'm gonna hop off camera. I'm gonna do the other eye. I'll curl the lashes, mascara, we'll see what it looks like, and then we'll give it our final review. So I'm just going to use my Tweezerman curler today to curl my lashes. For mascara, I'm going to be using one of my new favorites. This is the Younique Moodstruck Epic Mascara. Okay guys, and this is the finished makeup look. Both of my eyes are stamped. This is what it looks like, and to be honest, I'm really curious to hear what you guys think about this eyeliner stamp pen, or should I say pens, because you need one for each eye, because again, Fortune, your liners go in different directions. You're not getting 2 for the price of 1, you are literally getting 2 for the price of 2. I think it's really important with this product and any makeup product to really know the canvas that you're working with. For me, going into this, I knew this wasn't going to be a 1, 2, 3 product. I knew it was going to take me a few minutes to perfect each eye, simply because I have hooded and creased eyelids. Like, these creases really kill me. Not so much the hooded, it's really the creases that gets me every time. I think that if you are someone that doesn't have hooded or creased eyelids, this is going to be a 1, 2, 3 product for you. I think you're going to take the stamp the eye, close it, take the pen side, and just draw and connect it. It's going to be as easy as 1, 2, 3. So for you, I highly recommend this. And if you're someone that struggles with getting your wings to be the same exact length or height or width, this is definitely good for you, simply because the stamp is the same on both pens. Now for me, for example, when I am drawing a winged liner with just a regular old pen, not using a stamp, it takes me about 10 minutes on each eye to do my eyeliner. Granted, you guys know this is something that I'm taking my time to perfect, so if you keep at it, it's not going to take you 10 minutes per eye, but that's just where I'm at, and I'm letting you guys know. With this stamp, I want to say it took me about 5 minutes, comparing 10 minutes to 20 minutes, and I would totally pick the 10 minutes. So do I think it's worth it? Yes, especially for the price point. I think it's a really cool idea. I think that this is such a great idea. I think whoever came up with this, applause to you. Like, I like it. I think it's nice. I think that the gel liner wears really well. Don't buy this to buy an eyeliner. If you're gonna buy an eyeliner, I really like the Kat Von D Tattoo eyeliner. I think that one is really, really great, especially if you're in the market for a felt tip liner. And Wet n Wild's also makes a really good liquid felt tip liner as well. So if you're looking for an eyeliner, buy one of those. If you're looking for something that is innovative and really mainly just quick for the stamp, then buy this for the stamp. The eyeliner is not amazing. It is not as bomb. There are other eyeliners out there. So yeah, that's just where I land with this product. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up down below. Also, if you are not yet subscribed, be sure to click the subscribe button and also click the bell button next to it. This way you get a notification every time I upload a video here on my YouTube channel. Subscribe, be a part of my little Fortune Finds family. I'm a heavy review channel. I'm always trying to find new, innovative, cool products that I can sit down and review, let you guys know why it did or did not work out for me and why it might or might not work out for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a great time as always, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, Finders. Mwah.